students. Today we will discuss exercise 3.2 of class plus 1. That's 3.3 of class plus 1. There are some questions of exercise 3.3 in which the first one is there are solutions of these questions. In first question, the left hand side of the equation is sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. As we know, the value of pi is 180 degree. So this is 180 upon 6. This is 180 upon 3. This is tan square 180 by 4. When we cancel this, there is sin square 30, cos square 60 and tan square 45 degree. As we know from the table, sin 30 is half, cos 60 is half, tan 45 is 1. So this becomes 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 1. LCM is 4, 1 plus 1 means 4. This becomes 2 by 4 equal to means half. This is the right hand side of the question number 1. In question number 2, the left hand side of the equation is 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. When we put the value of pi, that is 180 degree. This is cosecant square 7 into 180 upon 6 cos square 180 upon 3. This cancel out as 30 degree plus this cancel out 30, that is cosecant square 210 degree. This is cos square 60. The value of sin 30 is half. 210, this is 180 plus 30, cos 60 is half. This becomes 1 by 4. 180 plus 30 is third quadrant. In third quadrant, cosecant is negative, but there is a square, so its value is positive and t ratio is not changed. This becomes 1 by 2. Cosecant 30 is 2. So this becomes 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 4. This cancel out. Half plus 1. This is 3 by 2, which is the right hand side of the equation. These are the solutions of question number 2. In question number 3, the left hand side is, in solution of question 3, left hand side is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 5 pi by 6 plus tan square pi by 6. Put the value of pi, that is 180 upon 6. Value of pi 180 upon 6. 3 tan square 180 upon 6. This becomes cot square 30. This becomes cosecant square 150. This becomes tan square 30. As we from the table, the value of cot 30 is under root 3. This becomes cosecant square 180 means 30. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon under root 3. This becomes 3. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive, but in 180 there is no change of t ratio. This becomes 2 whole square. This cancel out plus 1. This becomes 3 plus 4 plus 1, 8. But in right hand side there is in this statement there is some problem. There is negative sign here. This means there is negative sign, 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 there is negative sign. So this becomes 6, which is the right hand side of the equation. In this statement, cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 means tan square pi by 6. In solution 4, the left hand side is 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Put first the value of pi, that is 180 degree, value of pi, that is 180, value of pi, that is 180. This becomes 2, 4, 45. This becomes 135 degree. This is cot square 45. This is secant square 60. We write 135 as 180 means 45. Cos 45 is 1 upon under root 2. Secant 60 is 2. In second quadrant, sign is positive and no change in the t ratio. This 1 by 2, this becomes 4. So 1 upon under root 2 whole square, this cancel out 1 plus 8. This becomes 1 by 2 plus 9, this cancel out 1 plus 9 equal to 10. This is the right hand side of the equations. These are the solutions of first 4 questions. In question number 5th, the statement is find the value of, first one is sine 75. As we know, we have no value of 75, so we write this 45 plus 30. And we know formula for sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this becomes sine 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sine 30. This is 1 upon under root 2. This becomes under root 3 by 2. 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2. Take LCM. This becomes under root 3 plus 1. When we rationalize, this becomes root 6 plus root 2 by 4. This is the value of sine 75. In question number 2, that is B part, we find the value of tan 15 degree. We write this as 45 means 30 and formula of tan A means B equal to tan A means tan B over 1 plus tan A tan B. This becomes tan 45 means tan 30 over 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Its value is 1. It is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon under root 3. When we take LCM, this becomes under root 3 plus 1. This is the value of tan 45. If we rationalize this with denominator, this becomes under root 3 means 1, under root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, root 3 means 1, root 3 means 1. In numerator, there is identity a square plus b square means 2ab. In denominator, there is also an identity. So this becomes 2. This becomes 2 means under root 3. This is the value of tan 45 degree. In 6th sum, the left hand side is cos pi by 4 means x, cos pi by 4 means y, means sin pi by 4 means x, sin pi by 4 means y. As we know, formula of cos A cos B means sin A sin B equal to cos A plus B. So this becomes cos A is pi by 4 means x and B is pi by 4 means y. When we add these two, this becomes pi by 2 x plus y. This lies in first quadrant and at 90 degree there is change of t ratio. So the right hand side becomes sin x plus y. In question number 7, left hand side is tan pi by 4 plus x, tan pi by 4 means x. As we know this formula, tan 45 plus theta, this becomes 1 plus tan x, 1 means tan x, this becomes 1 minus tan x over 1 plus tan x. When we multiply this becomes 1 plus tan x whole square. This becomes 1 minus tan x whole square. So this becomes 1 plus tan x over 1 minus tan x whole square. This is the right hand side of this question. In question number 8, the left hand side is solution of question 8. Left hand side is cos pi plus x cos minus x divided by sin pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x. As we know, the value of pi is 180, cos minus theta is plus cos theta, value of pi is 180, this becomes 180 upon 2. This lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos is negative, but there is no change of t ratio. This lies in second quadrant, sin is positive, no change of t ratio. This becomes 90 plus x. Second quadrant, in second quadrant cos is negative and there is also change of t ratio. This becomes sin square x, this becomes cot square x. This is the right hand side of this question. In question number 9, the left hand side is cos 3 pi by 2 plus x cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x cos 2 pi plus x. When we put the value of pi here, this becomes 180, 2 cancel out, 90, 90 into 3, 270. This becomes 360 plus x. This becomes cot 270 minus x. This becomes, there is a plus sign, there is also a plus sign, plus this becomes cos 360 plus x. This lies in fourth quadrant, but there is a change of t ratio. This lies in first quadrant, no change of t ratio. This lies in third quadrant, there is a change of t ratio. But in this, there is another mistake. There is not cos, there is a cot. So this is cot. This lies in first quadrant, there is no change. This becomes cot. So this is sin x, this is cos. This becomes sin by cos. This becomes cos by sin. This is sin x cos x. When we take LCM, this is cos x sin x. This becomes sin square x plus cos square x. These are cancel out. As we know, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. This is the right hand side of the equation. These are the 9 questions of exercise 3.3. If you face any problem in any question, then personally discuss with me, call me at any time. Thanks.